PinJig is a time-saving tool for rapidly assembling electronics that makes soldering easy. It is the only tool of its kind that exists today for makers that can clamp every single through-hole component in one easy sequence. Hi, my name's Niall. I'm a maker, hardware hacker and founder of Protosonic. I created PinJig after encountering the problems of tedious, time-consuming soldering firsthand. Having the knack for problem solving and product design, I decided to do something about it. PinJig is operated in 3 easy steps. 1. Insert. 2. Release and lock. 3. Flip and solder. PinJig is designed to save time, be portable, easy to use, customizable, reduce the risk of errors, support open source modular framing, and have a minimal desktop footprint versus the competition. And of course, a striking design that will stand out on your workbench. Back us today on Indiegogo and you'll be the first to get PinJig. And you'll also get the best deal that we'll ever offer. We have worked hard to get the right materials, the right manufacturing, the right design and the right engineering. Now it's time to create the molds and get into production. Thanks for your help and remember, lock, flip and solder.